The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Huron County, Michigan. Effective until 5:26 p.m., the National Weather Service in Detroit/Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed waterspout was located just offshore over Port Austin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed waterspout moving onshore. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Port Hope around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.